Hey, big fat guy. What are you up to? And you, what do you want? We're having private conversation. Do you have to be here at the same time? I'm talking to him. Wait your turn. What are you up to, boy? Hey, wake up. You sleep all the time, huh? You sleep all the time. Are you purring? No? You look tired. Did you just wake up? Can you even get up? Look how big you are. You look clumsy. Nice little guy. Nice guy. Don't want me to touch you, huh? Giant ragdoll cat. And small, I don't know what she is. Okay, say bye-bye. Okay, you're annoyed, huh? Tired of me.